What about your day? How was your day?
It was good.
Was good, mashallah. Okay, okay. Auzubillah, bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Okay, read from the starting of page.
ألف با تا ثا جيم ها خا دال ز
Kha,
دا
say kha,
خا دال زال
dal,
دال زال را
ra, say ra,
را زا سين شين صاد
bold it. SAW sound. Sod.
صاد
Yeah,
ضاد
then
ز-
this one.
طا
Yeah,
ظا عين
Ain,
عين عين فا خاف كاف لام ميم نون واو
wow,
واو ها همزة يا يا
good. What is it?
لام ألف لام ألف لام ها با لام با خا
Think
خا
of not. This letter what?
كاف
And this one?
كاف
Same letters, okay?
مهم.
And this one?
كاف با كاف ألف تا كاف ثا
Yeah, don't say ta. It's ta, kaf, ta, okay?
تا
Don't,
كاف ثا
yeah, don't bold. Don't read in Persian accent. This one?
ثا ألف يا سين ي- ثا سين ثا غين
Hmm?
ثا غين
Is it ghain?
ثا غين
No. What is it?
جيم
Same letter here. Ta and this
ثا غين
ghain not. This is jim. Look at the.
ثا جيم
Wait a minute. Now, what is it?
ثا جيم
Jim, yeah, okay. Jim. And
تا ها
yeah, Taha. This one,
با جيم
Ba not Ba. Same Ba.
با جيم
This one,
نون خا
Kha not Kho. Bold it.
خا
Kho. This one,
Ya, ha,
You're not. Yeah.
ya, ha.
In English, what we say? Yeah. Yeah. Fine. Okay. This one.
Ba, mim. Ya, mim.
This is meme.
Ya, mim.
Meme, not this one. What is it?
Ba,
Yeah. Yeah. Ba and ba. Yeah.
ba, ya.
Wait. Look at this. Yeah. This. Yeah. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. This. Yeah. Here. It's joining with ba. Okay. There is no dot right now, but shape is same. Okay. This is short form of yeah. Ba. Yeah. What is it?
Ba, ya.
And this one is with two dots.
Ya, ya.
Yeah. These both are yeah. Yeah. This in purple color also yeah in short form, and this is also yeah. And this one
Nun, ya.
and this one,
Ta, ya.
this one,
Fa, ya.
this,
Fa, lam.
this one,
Kha, ba.
this,
Ba, ba, ha, ta. Ya, ya. Jim, ba, ba, bata. Ya,
meme
mim.
not. What is it?
Ya, ha, ba.
This is ha. Okay. This one also ha. And there is this ha. Yeah. Got it. This
Mhm.
one is what?
Mm,
Ba,
ba, ha, mim.
meme. This one.
Ba, ha, alif.
This one.
Kha, za.
Yeah. Don't forget. I'm asking. I will ask you every day. Okay. Because you will inshallah you will not forget. Every day I will take a test. This one
Kaza,
kha not, this is kha.
kaza,
Za not, this is zal.
za,
This
za.
zal, when we join with like kha or like ha or like jim with some letters like ba, so the shape will change. Okay, this zal will change like it. This dal will change. This dal will change like it. The shape will change. Okay.
Mhm.
What is it?
Dot, ghaim,
Wad ghain.
gad, ghaim,
This one.
ta, ta, ghaim, za, zal,
Yeah, this is dal. You read right now. This one.
sad, ain,
Yeah, sad ain.
sad, ain,
This one.
mm, qaf, fa, lam,
This one.
alif, lam, mim. ميم ألف لام ميم را كاف ها يا عين صاد همزة
Yeah,
زبر آ
yeah. Hamza Zabar A.
همزة
ضرب.
زبر آ
Yeah,
همزة
then
زبر
Hamza
إي
Zir E. Yeah,
إي همزة پیش او آ
yeah.
إي او إي آ
Very good. This one.
م، خا
Yeah,
زبر خا
good.
خا زر خی خا پیش خو خا خی خو
Good.
خی خا
Very good. This one.
قاف زبر خا خا زر خی
Qaf
خا
Zir Qi. Qi.
خا زر خی خا پیش خو خا خا خی خو خو
Kha not. This kha. This is qa. Qa.
का की को
Kuki qa. Qa. Bold
की
it.
का
This is qaf. Okay. The sound will be qa. Qi. Qu. Qa. Qi. Qu.
की का
Kuki qa.
को
Because
की का
in start, what you say? Qa. Qa. Okay. Qa. Qi. Qu. When you read reverse, so kuki ka not qa. The same sound in start you read. Okay. Now read this one without spell.
या यू या ज़ात ज़िद ज़ुत ज़ुत ज़िद ज़ात
No, zat not. Zazizu. Zazizu.
ज़ू ज़ू ज़ी ज़ात
Yeah, don't make it typical for you. This one.
ताती तू ती ता
Yeah, tati tu tuti ta. This one.
स्वासी सू सी सा
Su si sa.
सू सी सा
This one.
ज़ाज़ी ज़ू ज़ी ज़ा
Zu zi za. Za.
ज़ू ज़ी ज़ा
Because you said zazizu in start. So when you read in reverse, so you will say zuziza. Zuziza. Okay?
ज़ू ज़ी ज़ा
Yeah. Read this one.
well do the
Wow. This one. This. The first one.
mim do the ma
Mim do zabar man.
ma
Yeah, not ma.
min do the man mim do the min mim do pishmun man min mun
Yeah, this one.
fa do the fan fa do the fin Fadu pesh fun fan fin fun waudu zeber
No,
wa
no. I told you. O-N-E.
waudu zeber one waudu zer wen waudu pesh wun one win wun zadu zeber zan that do the then that do pesh,
Zo
zu,
do pesh. Zun. Zun.
zadu pesh,
Zod
zun,
not. Zo. Zo do pesh. Zun.
zadu pesh, zun,
Now read.
zan, zin, zun,
This letter is what? Zo. Your front of tongue will touch your upper front teeth side.
mhm,
Can you see me? Zo. Zo.
za,
Yeah.
za,
Yeah. Zon. Win. Zun.
zan, zin, zun,
Good. This one without a
sa,
spell.
zad, zid,
Without a spell.
zan,
Zod
zin,
not. This is sod. Sod. SAW. Saw.
zan, sin, sun,
Son. Swin. Son.
zan, sin, sun,
This one without a spell.
da,
No.
sin, sun,
No. Think in your mind first, then read. Okay. So what's the sound?
da,
No. Saw do zabar. Yeah.
tan,
Think
zin,
this. Think this sound in your mind first, then read
tan,
from.
ten, ton,
Yeah, ton, not ta. This is not ta. Okay, this is tan, tin, ton. This is what ton,
da,
tin, ton. Bold it.
da, tin,
Ta
ton,
not ton. Say
tan, tan, tin, tun,
yeah. This one without a spell.
ra, ri,
No, when you uh, what is it?
run,
Yeah, when you walk fast, what you say? Run. So what is it? R.
run,
Yeah,
rin, run.
yeah. This is a run. Okay.
Mhm.
This one is what?
Mm, sun, sin,
This is not
sun,
sod. Look at the dot on top. You read sod. This is
dot,
sod. Yeah,
dot,
this.
that, dot,
No, no. Zod, do, zabar.
zan,
Yeah, think first. I told you, think first in your mind the spelling and sound. One, Zod, do, zabar, one. When I ask you, then think
zan,
in your mind.
zan,
One, say.
zan, zin, zun.
Yeah, this one.
Mm,
No,
qa,
no. Ha, do, zabar. Think
qa,
in your mind.
gan,
Ghaini, not this. This is ghain. This is what? After ha, which letter comes?
qa,
Ha, not kha.
qa,
Yeah, this is kha, do, zabar.
gan,
Yeah, say
min,
khon.
gan, khin, hun,
Yeah, say again. Khon, khin, khun.
gan, khin, hun, gan, ghin, gun.
Yeah, this is ghon, ghin, ghun. Okay. Can you see whiteboard?
No.
coming. Now,
Yes.
okay. What is it?
Hamza Zeber A
Yeah. Read without spell, okay?
A
And this one,
Ba
ba. Don't stretch, okay?
Ba
What is it?
Ba
Yeah. And join now both sounds.
Ab
And ba zabar.
Alif Zeber Ba
No,
A
no, no, no. This is not alif. This is what Hamza. You read right now. Hamza zabar a. Hamza zir.
I
Hamza pesh.
U
A e.
A I U
O
U
e
I
a. So read the sound of this letter.
Hamza
Yeah.
Zeber Ba
Hamza zabar. Just Hamza sound.
Hamza Zeber
Hamza
uh,
zabar what?
Hamza Zeber Ba
Hamza zabar ba. Why? Hamza zabar a. Hamza zir e. Hamza pesh u. A e u. What is it?
Hamza Zeber A
Yeah. Hamza zir e. Hamza pesh u. A e u. This one is what? The first one. Hamza
A
zabar.
Hamza Zeber A
Yeah. So here is also Hamza zabar.
A
So read it. Yeah. Hamza zabar a. Then ba zabar.
Ba
Now m- merge both sounds and read.
Aba
Yeah. Read both sound together. Yeah. Aba. Now dal with do zabar. What is it?
Daldu Zeber Dan
Yeah. Now join them together. All sounds
Dan
good. Aba done. Now Hamza zabar.
A
And what is the next? This is what?
Ha
Yeah.
Ha
Kho
mm,
kho
La
zabar.
Ha Zeber
Yeah.
Ha
Yeah. And this is what? This letter.
Zal
Yeah. Zal.
Zeber Za
Yeah. What now? Join the sounds.
A A Za
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 not. This is what? Kho zabar what? Think the
A
sounds.
Za
Ah.
A Ha Za
Don't stretch. Don't say ah kho the. Say quickly because we read in because we read in the chapter of uh, zabar, zir and pesh. Hamza zabara, hamza ziri, hamza peshu, a i u i a. Okay. Kha zabar kha zir khi, kha pesh ku, kha khi ku, khu khi kha. Okay. So don't stretch here. We didn't stretch in this chapter, in these letters chapter. So hamza zabar sound is what?
mm,
Hamza zabar sound.
Ha
Hamza zabar, not ha zabar. You read right now. Hamza zabar,
Hamza Zeber Ha
ha not a. Hamza zabar a.
Hamza
Hamza
Zeber
zir,
A
hamza zir e.
I
Hamza pesh
U A
a.
I U I A
So here is also Hamza zabar a, not ha zabar ha. Got it?
mhm,
This is not ha. This is a. Hamza zabar
A
and kha zabar.
Ha
Join them both. A sound and kha sound.
A
A and kha sound. What?
Aha
Good. That's so simple. A kha and dal sound. Dal sound what? Dal zabar.
za,
Yeah. So join all letter sound. A. Say a.
a,
Then this sound.
hu,
Kho. Pesh not. Kho zabar.
kha,
Kho zabar. Yeah. Yeah. It's easy for you. Kho zabar what?
kha,
So join Hamza zabar.
kha.
Hamza zabar a.
Hamza zabar a,
Kho zabar.
kha,
Now what was this sound? This letter sound? The first one.
a,
Then second letter sound.
kha,
Yeah, join them. Read both.
a, kha,
Yeah. uh, Now this letter sound.
za,
Now say
a,
all
ha,
sound.
zal,
Akha.
zal,
Zal not. Zal zabar.
za,
Za not zal. Okay. Now read
a,
again.
ha, zal, a, ha, zal.
Akhadha. Got it?
Mhm.
It's simple or hard?
Simple.
Yeah. Don't make it hard. Let me tell you one thing more. Hamza Zabar, look at the screen. Hamza Zabar what? Sound
A,
A. And don't forget the sound. Hamza Zabar
a,
and Ha Zabar what?
ha.
This is Ha, not A, okay? This is A and this is Ha. Got it?
Mhm.
There is difference between both letters sound. So uh, keep in your mind this sound. What is the first one? Hamza Zabar?
Za.
Hamza Zabar.
Hamza zabar a,
A. And this one?
mim zabar ma,
Now join them. The first one, Hamza Zabar
a,
and Meme Zabar.
ma,
Now join, read both sounds together.
ama,
Ama, good. Ama. And this one,
ra zabar ra,
now read all letters sound together.
ar,
A,
amar,
A. This one is A, okay?
mhm,
Then the second sound was
ma,
Ma. And
ma,
third was Ra, Zabar.
ra,
Now join
amara.
Amara, good. Now understand?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now I am writing again one thing more.
Mhm.
What is the sound of this letter?
Ta,
Oh, this one,
mm, ba,
Ba. Join them.
tab,
To and Ba sound.
taba,
Don't stretch. These,
taba.
yeah, Zabar, Zir, Pesh, letters sound will not stretch, okay? Read it quickly. To, Ba, okay?
Mhm.
What did you say? To,
Ba,
Ba. And Qaf with double Do Zabar. Qaf, Do Zabar.
kon,
Yeah, now join all sounds together.
tabakon,
Tabaqan.
tabakon.
Now, now you know how to read. Got it?
Mhm.
Yeah. Now I am writing again something for you. Saad Zabar.
Sa,
This one, okay? Saad Zabar Saw. And Meem Zabar
ma,
Ma. And Dal with do pesh.
mun,
Dal do pesh.
mun.
Not meme. This is not meme do peshmun. I'm asking dal do zabardan, dal do zirdin, dal do pesh.
Dun.
Yeah, dal sound, not meme. Now join them. Also,
Samadun.
Somadun, got it. Yeah, my friend. Now, what is it?
Jim Zeber Ja.
And this one,
Zeber Ma.
and this one.
Ain Zeber A.
Now join them.
Jama.
Don't stretch. I told you, don't stretch. Read it quickly. Ja, say again. Sorry.
Jama.
Jama and Ain sound also.
A.
Yeah, add all letters sound together. Now, what?
Jam.
Don't stretch. I told you.
Jama'a.
Jama. Good. Read it quickly.
Alif Zeber
Alif.
A.
Is it
Zeber
Alif?
A.
Hamza.
Hamza Zeber A.
Then
Zal.
Zal with Zer.
Zal. Zi.
Yeah, read the sounds and join it.
Azaba.
Azaba not. This is Noon. Hamza Zabar.
A.
Zal Zer.
Zi.
Join them. Read both together.
Az.
Ah,
Az.
Za not. This is not Zal Zabar Za. Zal Zabar Za. This is Zal
Azi.
Zer.
Azi.
Yeah, Azi. And then
Azina.
good. Think and read. Okay. Don't
Mhm.
make it mistakes. And in start you will make. I agree. And then inshallah you will be fine. And now read this one. Ta with pesh, wow with double zabar, with do zabar. What is it?
Tawan.
Ta with pesh, ta zabar ta zir ta pesh.
Two.
This ta.
Two
So
one.
two one, wow do zabar,
One.
one. Okay. Okay. Now what is it?
Qaf. Zeber. Kha.
Kha zabar kha. What is it?
Kha. Zeber kha.
Then
Lam. Zeber la.
then
Mim. Qaf. Zeber kha.
qaf zabar qa. This is qa. This is qa.
Qaf. Zeber kha.
Yeah. This is what the first one.
Kha.
Qa. Now join them. Join all letters sound together.
Talaqa.
Kha not. Kha. Bold it.
Khalaqa.
Kha. La qa not. Read in
Khalaqa.
frequency. Quickly.
Khalaqa.
Kha la ka not. Qa. Bold it. Kha la qa.
Khalaqa.
Kha la qa.
Khalaqa.
Now I'm writing. Now read.
Mm,
Read it.
Mim. Zeber
Meme
ma.
not. The first one. What is it? With pesh. This is pesh.
Mm, Jim Pesh Ju.
Jim not. Jim with dot in the tummy. Dot with tummy. In tummy. Okay. This is what? Oh,
Wapish U.
yeah, this is how. Don't forget the letter sound.
Zali.
Yeah, join them.
Waf.
Khab.
Zeber Fa.
Yeah. Join them.
خلق
Wrong. Kha pesh sound is what?
هو
Who?
خلق
Who? La not. Lam with zabar sound is la. This, look at this lam.
خلق
No, no. This lam zabar la. There is lam here. Look at the
لي
li. So why are you saying la? Who?
خلق
Qa. Holy. Qa. Qa. This is qaf zabar.
خلق
Qa. So what is it now? Who? Holy. Holy qaf not. Holy qaf zabar what?
زبر خا
Qa. Qa. You read. My friend, why are you forgetting? Qaf zabar qa.
قاف زبر قا
Qaf zir qi.
قاف زر كي
Qaf pish qu.
قاف بشكو
Qaqi qu.
قاكي كو كوكي كا
May I show you here? This one. Okay? Got it?
أها.
Yeah. Qaqi qu. Quqi qa.
قاكي كو كوكي كا
Yeah. Now read this one. Ain.
زبر آ
Then this one.
دال زبر دا
Then this one.
لام زبر لا
Now join it.
أدا
Ah.
أدالا
Good. And now read this one.
ألف زبر
Alif,
آ
why? I told you. Now the name of Alif change. When you see Zabar, Zir or Pesh on Alif or down of Alif, then the name will change with the Hamza. This is Hamza, okay? Don't say Alif. Alif
مهم.
comes simple, just one stick like, okay? Hamza Zabar,
آ
this one,
مم.
read it.
مم.
Hamza Zabar,
آ
then next one is what?
خا زبر خا
Good. Now join them. First of all,
خا
both sounds join.
آها
Good. Then,
مم. زا
yeah,
أخذ
good. Is it simple or typical?
simple
Simple. Now read once again. Hamza Zabar.
آ
Now,
ها زبر ها دال دو بش دون
good.
هدن
Yeah, good. MashaAllah. Okay. Meeting will finish. Okay, in 1 minute. Uh, what is the sleeping dua? Allahumma,
زكا
Allahumma, Bismika,
باسمك
Amutu,
أموت
wa Ahya.
وأحيا
Yeah, this meeting will be finished. Then class over. Okay.
أوكي
Yeah. And dua for having meal. Bismillahi.
الرحمن الرحيم
And another dua. Bismillahi wa ala.
ثم
Bismillahi. Say again with me.
بسم الله
Wa ala
وعلى
barakatillah.
بركة الله
Yeah, this is having meal dua. Okay, when you take your meal. Got
مهم.
it? Okay, then take care.